Welcome to you, my children, in my uh, educational channel, Science Tutorial Educational Channel. I, A.K. Prabhat, Anil Kumar Prabhat, and today I will teach you BODMAS. I think that you are taking a good interest, and I think that your mathematics is being strong day by day, and you come to the new topic that is of simplification, that is board mass, and I think that you are understanding and enjoy of mathematics. Today I will teach you, that board mass, because you are watching on the screen basic math 14, and in board mass you should know the you can understand the sequence of working function, because if you do not know the sequence of function, I think that you will be not able to do simplification easily. So you come and understand about body mass. Here b, b, first letter b for bracket. So first of all you have to do the function of bracket, and after it o means off. After it you have to do off. D means divide. Similarly, m means multiplication, a means add, s means subtraction. So we should know this sequence of function in simplification. If you do not follow, it is clear that our simplification will be wrong. So come to the problems. With the help of board mass we have to solve this problem. Your first problem is on the screen that 2 plus 2 divide 2 minus 4 divide 4 of 4. Here you know that the function of will be occur first. So we have to write up to divide. Up to divide we have to write from first to divide and do the function of. So we find that the function of is done as a multiplication. So we find out 4 into 4 16. You have not tried multiply, because you know that function of multiply occurs after division. So you have to multiply only. So we write 16. Now go ahead. The next step, that is in this you have to draw divide the function of divide. So in divide you have not to divide, but only do change the sign of divide into multiplication, and here is also in multiplication, and inverse the number which is after divide. You know that after divide here 2, so the inverse is 1 by 2. After divide 16, so inverse is 1 by 16. Now go to the next function, that is multiplication. And multiplication, you know that we can cancel by the same number. 2 to cancel, 4 1 ja 4, 4 4 ja 16. So we find finally 2 plus 1 by 1 minus 1 by 4 are not due. Do this ahead work as the add and subtraction of a fraction. So at last we find 11 by 4 and 2 wall, 3 by 4 our answer. So I think that you understood this, no problem in this problem. And now go ahead for the next. In next problem, you see this is the question. You know that in this problem point and also the mixed fraction is available. So first of all, you have to cancel point. You know the function of cancelling point. We have to put 0 in denominator after 1. Here is also, and the mixed fraction is also changed into improper fraction. So go for the next and do the function of only off. You know that in off we can cancel. Here up and down cancel at any point, at any step. So no problem here. 5 1 ja 5, 5 2 ja 10. But here off, this is the function of off, so we can cancel also in cross. 5 1 ja 5, 5, 25 ja 100, and 5 5 ja 25, 5 4 ja 20. So here we find in this 5 by 8, and in this is the multiplication, so we write down is in the same form. Now go ahead for the function of divide. First of all, change divide into multiply, and inverse of 5 by 8 we can write 8 by 5, and do the function of multiplication. We find at last we find here 5 by 1 minus 4 by 5 here in this, and 8 by 5. So we do the function of add and subtraction, LCM. You know these types of function because I have taught you already, and at last we find 29 by 5 and answer 5 all 4 by 5. This is the use of BODMAS. With the use of BODMAS, I taught you this simplification, and I think that you have no any problem. You can do these similar questions. For second, here you see some question for second, third, 4, 5, 6. If you do all these questions, you will be perfect in BODMAS, and I think that these types of questions will not create any types of difficulties for you, and you find a good perfection in these types of questions. And I think that if you are learning, if you are getting a good interest, and if you are enjoying of this channel, you should like it, and you should share it. You should also subscribe it if you are not already subscribed, and you should take a good interest that will provide you a great power in mathematics. Best wishes to you. Thank you very much. Thanks.